what puts a person risk at not matching. So usually it is the competitiveness issue. अगर आप दो CV को compare करोगे, so either academics match नहीं हो रहे, professionalism problem like USMLE grades, no research. So the comparison will happen on those lines. So apply to programs, apply to a backup specialty. Now that backup specialty also you need to smartly decide. You cannot apply to medicine and surgery. Oh, medicine and pediatrics is fine, medicine and neurology is fine. Okay, so apply as a backup specialty and work on the CV accordingly. Your personal statement is very, very important. So well-crafted personal statement plays a big role. Try to enhance your credentials. If somebody does not get selected this year, see what were the gaps in your profile and work on this. Whether it's the step examinations, research years, do well, medical school. Try avoiding all of these issues in advance. Do more observerships for networking. Okay, but this is going to be very, very important. Sometimes it's the attitudinal or interpersonal issues. People might have everything correctly, but people say, I didn't get match. What is the reason? Maybe you have not interviewed well. Maybe your answers were not that great. Maybe you were just like a parrot answering all the questions. So it is a lot of times that impact. I'll tell you an example, 270 plus step 1 CK. Rotations, everything, research paper, everything was there for a student from South India. Applied for the first match, did not get selected, came to us, next year he was applying. When we analyzed the CV, the most important thing what we realized that each and everything is making so much sense. But the problem was his interview giving skills. He used to memorize answers and did not make any eye contact, not understanding the perspective of interviewers, just answering as by his flow, not customizing answers. These were few traits which led him to not match in the first attempt. So the next year when we worked on his interview skills, he got into one of the very good hospital in Chicago. So the point is, you need to observe what were your gaps if you match this particular year. Sometimes the geographic people apply to only particular states. Don't do that. How to decide where to apply? Apply in all places where the IMG percentage is more than 5%. So on the FRIDA, you get your entire list. You come to know each and every program, how many percent of IMGs get selected. Select 5% geographical issues. If I know that more matching is happening in particular 10, I will do more electives and research in those places. Why will I go and do my research or do my elective in California where there are hardly any matching happening, or Nebraska or any of these states? So you need to be smart. You need to do the networking place. Many of them are so much kind of influenced by Ivy Leagues. Oh, I will do in Harvard, Stanford. No, great. They are great institutions, but they don't give LOR. So that looks very good in your CV, but it's not going to help you. So be smart in choosing that. And that is what we do at Moksha. Our team actually helps people to identify the right programs, right process, and the entire CV building. So this entire American journey is very unique. And as you proceed, you will realize that a lot of things need to be taken care of. And I'm sure once you kind of understand things much in detail, it will be much more clearer.